Many are location. Okay. Statistics. Which class is over? Your class over? GIS over. Okay. So you not over. Okay. So it's not a part of maths. Okay. Don't think like that. Okay. It's a new subject like your economics, history, physics, chemistry, like that one subject only. Okay. I don't think it's a part of maths. But another question, then why it is included in maths chapter, right? This thing is almost related to maths. That's why they don't want to print one book only for this chapter. Okay, so that's why I added to maths book. Okay, it is a different subject only. You can go for higher classes, graduation level, degree level. Actually, supposed to be teach statistics teachers there is. Statistics teachers there is, like math teachers, statistics teachers also there is. Okay, like physics teacher, chemistry teacher, like that. Okay. So, but we can manage. Math teachers also can manage some extent. Okay, some extent means up to the 12th levels and all. That's all math statistics teachers required. Okay, actually, what is the meaning of statistics? Forget about graph. Okay. Then, suppose look at here. It's a daily life. Your application is there. It's not like other subject. Suppose you studied circle, maybe not useful in your life, right? Triangle, you never use in your life. Okay, polynomial, no use at all. Not even useful for a Pepsi. Direct applications. Okay. Your application many places there is. Like I told you, the street light fixing and all using the maths application only. We'll learn next year how to fix the street light. Otherwise, all the light will be one light green, one light red, roadblock will be there. That's application maths is there. That's called applied mathematics there is. Higher classes you can go for applied mathematics. There is pure mathematics, there is applied mathematics. Applied mathematics wherever application there is. My elective subject was applied mathematics. Okay, so application is there is. From application there is. Okay. But presently don't directly there is no link. Okay, suppose you studied Heron's formula, maybe that will be more easy, useful there is, or parallelograms. You never use it in your life, correct or not? After maybe your studies, you forget. Okay, so but statistics not like that. Example: suppose you want to buy a laptop or a phone. What do you want to buy now? Let's say laptop. Okay, okay. How will buy? That's the question. You answered it. Cost is forget about. Cost is the last negotiation is there. Before that, many things you have to discuss. Features, correct. Features. First of all, you have to decide it. What are the things we need? Right or no? Otherwise, why should we buy many things? We don't never use it. For example, my phone, there is a pen in there. I never take this one. Right? Really, man, I never use this one pen. Look, when I purchase that pen is inside, I never take it. So I'm not using that. I'm using that. And also photos taking. I'm very. I'm not taking it. 3 cameras. 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And front cameras there is. Okay. I never take what you call a selfie. It was covered with glass only. See, recently one of my friends said, "Why covered with your camera?" Then he cut that glass part. I never yet take it. Okay, so I don't want to buy like that. Actually, but maybe they'll ask then why you bought this. I need a little bit big screen. Understood now? My eyes some problem with this. I'm an old man. Okay, so retire. Okay, maybe I'll return it next year. Okay, look. So that's why I purchased. I don't want pen. I don't want camera. I don't want camera enough. Sometimes I take a picture of the question paper. That's only okay. That's only I take on. So according to your use, you have to purchase it. Correct or not? So maybe this phone has 250 functions there, but you're using only 2. Why should you buy remaining 248? Why you pay for that? And suppose you're buying a laptop, okay? suppose you're doing, graphics work and all, not need that much big specifications. Correct or not? Suppose you're playing in, what do you call that play? With a computer play, no? What do you call that? Illustration. Then you need more RAM and all, right? Correct or not? Okay, you're playing right now. Yeah, that's why you're not getting mark. Okay. Okay, so more RAM is in normal use, not need that much RAM. Okay, because anyway, after 2 years you have to replace it. Right, maximum 3 years you have to replace it, all the laptops. And mine is now, I don't know how many times I replaced. Okay, all now here. Okay, no use. E-waste like that. Now, 2025, all the current laptop cannot use also. Windows they are going to change all. Okay, everything, all the laptops you have to replace. So you have to buy all the functions like that according to your use. Okay, so that means he said correct features. What we want, that's the important thing. Don't think about I purchase that laptop. I need that also. And maybe PlayStation is using, you never use the PlayStation. Okay, so you don't want to buy that much RAM. And this guy maybe more functions required. Maybe he's doing some graphics work or what do you call that? Photoshop and what they're doing. Like that, some guys like that, right? He's maybe watching full-time movie. Then that program is required. Okay, I never watch the movie like like that. So like that depends on the person. Okay. So first of all, you decided which functions you need. I3 or I5 is there now, right? Okay. I5 is I5 is there, is I3 there, I9 is there, I7 is there. Mine is I7. Okay. I5 there is I3 is very old, I think. So, but for you it's enough. Okay. What?
Gen 12. Gen 12.
Okay, like that. Okay, so many functions. Then okay, you decided that which is your requirement. Then you can discuss about your okay. If you want, you can ask your friends also. But this case, you cannot ask your friends. Friends may be different. Useful. Correct or not? Maybe he's using a PlayStation. He's not using that one. That's different. Cannot discuss with the friends. Okay. You have to decide yourself. Okay. Then second thing, another thing, your brand. Which companies you have to think about. Correct or not? So maybe you are a fan of some companies. Correct or not? I am a fan of HP, like that. Okay. Right? TV, I like, what do you call Sony. Sony, once I purchased Sony, within a year, it is lost. It's spoiled. Okay. Then another Sony I purchased, within 6 months, flood in my house. Not here in India. Okay. Right? 1 week, one floor, up to one floor underwater. What to do? Okay. Okay. I'm staying near this one of the real. Okay. Just near the river. So the 2018, that flood completely gone. Okay. My house completely gone. 1 week, full water. Okay. So what to do? We are here only. So nobody's there. So around 1 month, 1 hour, 2 weeks, that water is there. Okay, everything spoiled. Okay, but we covered all. We means Kerala guys, according to my experience, not comparatively lost all. But Kerala is roads all gone. So many buildings gone. What do you call bridges gone? Not completely gone. Okay. So we covered that. I surprised because we are all here that time, 2018, I think August, I think, right? August, yes. I just came back from the vacations. Usually, 1st August, I'm starting the class. So, and September, I went. So usually, September, I won't get leave. But that time, I got leave because I lost everything. I said to my boss, we lost everything. So I have to open the house. And also, there is a committee there was that time. Those who lost their documents, like your house documents and all, no? Then we can say report that. That's why we went. Okay. I didn't went, my sister. That's understood, I'll tell you. Okay. Okay, then what happened? Okay, complete Kerala with okay after September, I was really surprised. All the roads really okay. They made it within 2-3 months. Everything Kerala they made it okay. All of the Malayalis gave money to the government. Around 7,000 crores we collected, man. Can you imagine any other state like that? 7,000 crores rupees within a month. Kerala government, people just contributed to, even Tamil Nadu also we got a lot of money. Okay, thanks to our Tamil friends. Okay. No, all the people got. Okay. Kerala people are very rich. No, they are outside people. Yeah. Gulf, US, and all they gave. And also, even Qatar government gave a lot of money. Qatar, Amir itself gave them. Qatar, what do you call king? Okay, UAE king also. Their personal amount like that. Okay, so within a week, almost maximum 1 month, it's covered. Okay, but I surprised that time, 2018 November. Here also there was a flood. Maybe that Mangafandal is really affected, right? That road still not repaired here, right? You can see that behind that road, it's still not repaired. Okay, forget about that. You travel from Fahil to Lulu, that road, what a condition, right? Still not repaired. Yeah, okay. So, okay, then my house, I told you, nobody's there. So then within a week after the flood, all people, social workers and all came and repaired my house also like that. Yes, my sister opened the door, but she couldn't open it. It was mud and all. In one place, there was a crocodile there. When open, you are from which place? Which exact place? Chalagudi. Yeah, your place only that Chalagudi. Only you maybe notice that. You ask your parents. One guy, the Chalagudi guy, opened the door. One crocodile. You check with you today, okay? There was crocodile sleeping. The flood is comes from the hill area now. There was a snake near my house, okay? But people are very scared about to open the door and all, because maybe snakes will be there, no? Like that, okay? But my sister cannot do that, cleaning and all. She was waiting, just going back to her house. That time, one really surprised, one jeep, full people. They have motor. They have all cleaning materials and all. They asked, "Do you want any help?" Oh, she said, "Okay, they're in my house." They came. They repaired full. In that group, there was electrical engineers. Okay, all the plumbers, electricians, what do you call, all technical. They repaired everything. One guy, chief engineer of electrical section. Okay, he was doing my work like that, free of cost. Like that, we help. Okay, then everything is okay, and government gave also around 5 lakhs rupees to each house. Okay, you got your house in spoil. It was. Where is the exact place, Chalgudi? Okay, it was all affected. Okay, okay, but I didn't apply for that. So I thought better give to some other more needy persons. I also distributed to the government as another story. Okay, so no, everywhere. I think you're all distributed that day. Okay, there is a what do you call chief minister's relief fund. There is still accountability. There is. We have all everything. We can see the net. How much today receive? We can check. Surprise around 7,000 crores we collected like that. Okay. Oh, I reach here. Okay. Okay. Then what is why reach here? What is the issue?
So, you were talking about.
Laptop. Oh, okay, laptop. Okay, okay, laptop. Okay. So, okay, the Sony TV. Okay. My Sony TV lost. One is picture tube problems. F20 is everything. F20 is very good, but only the problem picture not comes. That's only okay. So restaurant thing is okay. Okay, but still I purchase Sony only. second Sony. That is flood. Okay. Third also I purchased Sony. I find out Sony. Okay. And like that laptop, it's maybe you're also like HP, really friendly laptop. And phone, I like Galaxy. Before I use iPhone, but I like now. This one iPhone. So many questions they will ask. You want every time they will ask your mail ID and right like that. No, we purchase and why they asking again and again. Right, right. Our mail ID. You want to download this program like that? Asking. Okay, so that's I don't like. Okay. So okay, like that. Okay, you brand. Okay, we fix the brand. What you brand? Which brand do you like? Laptop I'm talking about. Okay.
Asus,
Oh, that's a good brand. Okay, you.
Alien,
Eh?
Alienware,
That is one.
yeah,
Okay, you.
Dell,
Eh?
Dell,
Dell. Dell also good.
Legion,
Eh?
Legion,
You. Dell.
Dell.
HP. HP. Okay. Oh, it's okay. So we can make you can make a survey during this holidays. Something you can check with your friends which brand you like, which your habits and all like. Suppose which TV programs you like that. Okay. Okay. So then okay. So you fix HP. Okay. Dell fans leave it. Okay. Okay. Now we fix your requirement and you fix the brand also. Okay. Okay. Next step is what? Next step is what? Money. Hey, you didn't go to the shop? No, you have to go to the shop. Right? You have what? No. You have to, now next step is you have to check the specifications and specific. Suppose you selected your requirement and specification different. Your requirement is fixed. Then you have to check you can collect the data. 2-3 methods there is. One is you can go direct to the shop. Many shops here. Okay. Excite or what? Eureka. West.
Best Alus.
Yeah, best always. Then in other shops. Come on, man. Hey, you don't have any other shop name. Okay. Excite only fixed it. Excite. Then best user fee, right?
Best
I'll use it. I'll forget about it. Everything I'll learn it here. I'll kubus like that. Okay. Okay. Best user fee and then what? Eureka. Lulu also there is. Algani only Excite man. Guy never know knowledge. You need to go to the shops and Algani only name change to Excite only. Okay. And online, many online guys and plus some chota shops also there is. They'll make little more price less. They make bulk quantity. Years back, I used to make that, not laptop, desktop computers. Okay. I used to make for my point of interest. Okay. On Thursdays, I'll make it like Thursday. That time, Thursday only holiday. Thursday, Friday, not instead of Saturday. Okay. I used to make that. But now I forgot. So I don't do that. Okay. So then, okay. So you go to the Excite. Suppose Excite. Then you can collect the data. Suppose Ayan want to buy a laptop, Ayan only collecting the data. Okay, that is called the primary data. What do you call? Primary data. Okay, he himself collecting the data, or he himself collecting the data from data collected by the concerned party only. Okay, so that is called statistical word. It may be noticed in the this chapter. Primary data. Okay, primary data means data collected by the concerned party. Okay, maybe I am a little sick or he's lazy. Okay, some guys like that only. Suppose today is what? Today Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday not a good day. No, it's not a good day for some guys like that only. Starting something Tuesday not a good day. So we fix only no. For some or else there is no day like that. Correct or not? Right? We fix only is done. Human only fix before around 10,000 years back we were in cave. There is no day like that. There is no day, right? Okay, we fix only this. Okay, even Jan 1st coming, right? Jan 1st before what, which day what? April 1st was only. We fixed to change. April 1st was the new year, like that only. But we changed to like capital of India, changed from what? Calcutta to Delhi. Calcutta was the capital. Okay, then we the British guys changed to New Delhi, like that only. Okay. So many reasons is there. I told you, I think once I said one of the reasons. Okay. Okay, so then so we fixed today's holiday also. Holiday India holiday Sunday. Here is what not Sunday is working. We working Sunday. Right or not like that. We fix only the days and all days same only. Even Jan 1st also same day, same sun only. Right? There's the same rotation only like that. Nothing different. I don't see. I don't face any. I don't feel any. Oh, today's New Year. I don't face anything like that. So special here. Like same. Okay. 2024 onwards, new sun is rising, then okay. Right? Not like that, no. Okay. So come on. Okay, then we plan. Okay, the data collected. Okay, this guy, lazy guy. Okay, today is Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. I don't want to study today. Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday. Dust is outside. Why should how can I study? Right? Thursday. It's very humid today. It's all you're not affecting you, but lazy guys like that only. They'll find a reason. Correct or not? Right? Okay. So I arrange the Joshi. Okay, you go to the shop and collect it, the data set. Okay. So Joshi, but Joshi, sometimes he will go sincerely. He will search and sometimes maybe he'll arrange different way only. Maybe he has some issue with iron, he will mislead. Chance there is no. Maybe HP 41260, like that one model is, for example. Just very stupid model only. Okay, every time restarting and or like that. Okay, suppose the number only. Okay, not the correct model. Okay, George telling to Ian, oh Ian, so best one, you buy that. Hey, chance there is no, right? Chance there is. Okay. So which one is the more relevant than right? This data is called secondary data. Why? Data collected by secondary data, another person. Data collected by another person. That is called what? Secondary data. Now we got two data in this chapter. One is called primary data. Second one is called secondary data. Secondary data collected by somebody. Okay. But more relevant is what? Primary data. Okay. But sometimes it's not possible all the cases. For example, newspapers. How they, suppose Kuwait Times, or how they get the news? Suppose Kuwait Times, there is a World Cup in Australia. How they get the news at all? Hello. How they get news? The newspaper printing and all that, or TV also news coming now. How? Any idea? One method is if they have a correspondent there, they have an agent there. Okay, not agents there is. Okay. Second method, they have news agents there is. Anyone wrote how read the newspaper here? Anyone read newspaper? Oh man, you read which newspaper? What? One time. Oh my. See, if you are planned for the civil service exams and all, now you start reading newspaper. Otherwise, you don't think about that. You have any idea to after your graduation, you write to civil service and all. Civil service, you know what I said, right? Understood or not what I said? IPS, IAS, Indian Railway Service, Indian Economic Service, like that and all. You have to read newspapers and all. Especially, I suggest the best newspaper in India from India is the Hindu from Chennai. That's the best newspaper. Okay, a small newspaper. There's like a like Times of India. A lot of papers there is. Okay, the market fish can cover like that papers only. Okay, but you have to read the newspapers. Hindu is the problem is newspaper is no. It will be difficult language. Anyone read that one? Anyone seen that one? You can take online also. There is no. Today you're free. No, you just check it. Okay, and tell me tomorrow. Just Google it. The Hindu.
Yes.
No, not Hindustan Times. The Hindu. Okay, the Hindu newspaper. Okay, from Chennai. That editing. Okay. So language is little difficult. Okay, grammatic and all. It improve and all. Okay. There is their magazine also. It's Frontline, I think. Okay, you didn't heard about this. Okay. Okay. Okay, it comes the newspaper, the news. They have agents. Okay. Okay, the newspaper, some agent, there are any news agencies in name, you know? Any news agencies? Any TV, not TV only. Okay, news agency there is. They will collect, they will, suppose they will have agents, suppose they will fix the camera different places, important places. Okay, that's maybe main cities, some fire or somebody throwing a bomb or shooting, automatically it will be recorded. Understood now? They won't fix Mangafana Boulevard, there's some cats moving and all only. Okay. Okay, so any agent name, you know? Anyone? Online guys? Any news agent? No, BBC is reporting only. Reuters there is. Okay, Reuters there is. And Associated Press. If you read the newspaper, the photos they'll be writing down, Associated Press. And Kuwait also there is one news agency. Kuwait news agency there is. Okay, India also there is one news agency. Press Trust of India, PTI. Okay, if you are subscribed, not you, the newspapers and all channels, we subscribe per year. They will give the news, they will send the videos, they will give the text and all that. Okay, here newspaper, no, I don't think they have many places their correspondent because there is very few subscriptions on it, like Kuwait Times and all, very few only. Small newspaper, Arabic newspaper, you know, 100 pages there is, Al-Anba, like that newspapers. 100 pages daily. What the cost, you know? Or how much? Any guess?
Like to buy the news?
Yeah, daily newspapers, Arabic newspapers, Kuwait Arabic newspaper cost.
Okay.
I don't know. No, 100 rupees only. Because Kuwait government is giving grant to newspaper. Print media is very costly. You know, this type of paper, this paper is, it was 750 rupees now, 1.5 dinar after the COVID, like that. Okay. So print media is very costly. So Kuwait government is giving grant to the newspaper. That's why they can give 100 rupees and also plus add this. Advertisement companies give the money. Okay, like that. Okay, so there is a good newspaper from UAE. There is Khalij Times. You heard about? You heard about? Okay, Khalij Times. That's a very good newspaper. Good printing and nice papers and all. Okay. If those who are buying yearly buying, well, subscription, there is insurance also. Insurance. You heard about insurance?
Which type of?
Yeah, I tell you. Okay, suppose you are purchasing insurance. So suppose you are buying a 1 year subscription, right? Okay, you pay for 1 year, pay your money. Around 25 lakhs. Suppose you get an accident. Okay. Okay. Your relatives have a lakh. Okay, they'll get it 25 lakhs rupees. Okay. Suppose your accident, you die. Okay. Okay. Come on, relatives will get no. Okay, that's in all insurance like that only. Plus, if you are hospital, around 6 months they will give money, hospital charges and all like that. Okay, that is what it is. Insurance means even train there is. If you travel in train, okay, reserve ticket. Your name, reservation ticket is your name, age, address, and all give. Around 4 lakhs rupees there is insurance. Even Kerala, one umbrella there is. It's called Poppy umbrella. Okay, you heard about? Okay, if you buy Poppy umbrella, you will get 1 lakh rupees. But only thing, when you die, you have to hold the umbrella also. Then take the photo. Okay. Suppose you are holding the umbrella and walking on wood or a flood only died. Immediately the relatives will take a photo with what umbrella instead of cross. Sometimes they give the cross and instead of that they give the umbrella. Oh, take the umbrella first. Poppy, poppy umbrella. There is one like that. Okay, so I like that. That's called insurance. Clear now? There is the insurance company. There is life insurance, LIC. There is. Maybe your parents have this one. Okay, you don't have. Okay, okay. This you have to pay monthly basis. Then when it's mature, you'll get the money back like that. Or the accident, they'll get the money back. Okay, so okay, then okay, so okay, the data collected by somebody. Okay, now newspaper. Two types there is data collected by somebody. That is called secondary data. Data collected by yourself. That is called the primary data. Clear now? One is suppose Ayan himself collecting the data. That is called the primary data. Ayan authorized to Joshi. Joshi collected data. That is called the secondary data. The more relevant is what primary data. Because no mistakes and all that. Okay. And another application. This is part of statistics. Okay. Even you wake up the brush, toothbrush. No, that is also part of statistics. Okay. Which brand you are using? Okay. Right. You search now which brand. TV, maybe a lot of ads there is. Doctor suggested this brand or like that. Correct or not? That's not even doctor. Right? We think, oh, doctor suggested. Because, hey, censored, right? Okay. Actually, the certain company give the money to this guy. Right? It's an actor or something. Oh, he said, doctor suggest me this one. Okay.
Last week one was published that Sensodyne has said 9 out of 10 doctors recommended this.
Ah.
One person went to 10 doctors, no one recommended.
Yeah.
So he said he'll file a case.
Like that only. Okay, that's ad only. Okay, even the our what do you call sanitizer, they're telling 99.9 only. They are not guarantee because if you even if someone file a case, no, he said no, 99.9 only. They are very cunning guys. 100% then somebody got the COVID and even after using this one, it said 99.9% only, not 100%. This is their plan. Okay, like that. Okay, so okay, then you buy your life, everything based on the statistics. Like okay, for example, how we get the shirt? Yeah, you buy the clothes and stitch the shirt? No, ready-made or how we get it? How we get that exact size? You think about? No. How? It's a human average. Understood now? Human average there is. Okay, before, suppose shoes, maybe you are using shoes 41, 42 like that. Iron maybe it is different. Okay, right? Which shoes you are using? Okay.
Like the brand
Yeah, not brand, size.
it's a different UK.
Okay. So Indian standard maybe 41, 42 like that. Okay, almost. Okay. So how the shoe company understood your okay? Suppose Joshi want to buy a shoes, the shoe company like coming to your home and measure your leg, and accordingly they purchase, accordingly they manufacture it. No, but years back when we were in cave, when we started using the really, it's a really fat around 12,000 years back. We were in cave. Okay, there is no parents. It is in all together in a cave, and there is no food. So maybe tiger and all eat something. You have weight. Actually, our condition is very bad. We cannot catch any animals and all. Okay, because human no, is not that much like tiger and all. When they run, they all eat some part only, like lion and all some part only. Then they leave. That time you eat that one. Otherwise, we kill the animals, very small animal like a rat or rabbit, like that only we eat. Like that, it was very poor conditions only, our human only like that. That time our age was around 25 to 30 only lifespan. Humans lifespan around 30, maximum 30. Even 1947 Indian independence time, how much you know? You are under 35 years. 35 years only. 100 years back, what was the world population, you know? 200 crores. World population around 100 years back. That was your grandfather time, only 200 crores only world population. Now, how much? 850 crores. Okay, maybe like 8, maybe 10, 20 years back, maybe 600 crores like that. Why? Because dying lifespan is increased. Okay, now it is India around 64 like that lifespan. Kerala 74. Okay, really, I'm not telling all in Kerala about boosting not Kerala. Not like I'm not saying in Kerala. Really, I'm not saying in Kerala. I'm saying in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Okay, sometimes I'll go to Kerala only. Okay, my parents house. Okay, so I have house there, but I prefer Coimbatore only. Okay, so it's a very good life. Okay. Okay, so look, no bother like that. Malayali is not that much. Okay. Okay, so look, okay, so lifespan of Kerala compared to Europe only. And no village, no village. I recently visited one north place, okay, North Indian state. I don't want to say the name. Okay, even one town, okay, we can see one shop. After maybe 200 kilometer travel only, we can another shop, another house also like that. Okay, I saw one theater. Next movie is Sholay. Sholay is a very old movies only they're showing like that. Like much there is no literacy and all, very poor people only like that in many areas. Okay, but Kerala not like the city to. There is no village now. Only one town like that. Correct or no? What I said. Suppose you're Chalapadi, right? You which place? Thrissur. Thrissur to Chalapadi. If you travel in highway, you cannot find any gap. Throughout shops only, right or no? Shops, buildings, and such a were exactly where. Near the engineering college. Okay. So Trichure, I know. My parents' house in Trichure. Okay. I travel every Trichure, each and every village I travel. Walk. Okay, walking. Come on, man. 1 month I walk each and every. I was a politician at that time. Jada, okay. So students wing. Okay. So I each and every town and each corner I know to check. Okay. So around 1 month I traveled like that. Walking only, not car. Okay. So that's why I know you. Okay. Look, okay. Now very rich. Okay. So come on. Okay. Our condition is very bad condition like human like that. Okay. Okay. Now come to the shoes. Now we are getting exact fresh shoes. How we get shoes means it's a human average. It's a part of statistics. Because you're not bothered about it, that it's a part of statistics. Look, suppose shoes shops, majority 41, 42, 43. Human average. Very rare size only, maybe 50 they keep. Understood now? That's very sale is very less, maybe once in a year like that. Common is 41, 42 like that. Even you shirt also 42, 43 like that. So then now we are demand getting because exact size is there. Okay, and that's a human average. It's a part of statistics. Okay, another applications. This some guy sitting in road, and if you pay money, they tell your look the hand and telling your future and all, right? Right? Yeah. Yeah, fortune teller. Astrology. Astrology. Okay. Astrology, not astronomy. Don't confuse it. Astronomy is what? Space. Astrology is this much. It's not a science. It's not a science. Okay. Sometimes okay, open that oh, your future like this and all like that. If you pay money, they'll tell many stories and all. Okay. It's not scientific at all. Okay. I told you one. Kerala where is one channel there is Asianet. Okay, in that there's a program which is called our future telling. Suppose you this guy is much future, you get job there, you'll travel to south, you'll travel to north like that. Okay, like that. It is called Anandam Ajnanam. There is a program. Okay, I don't know this topic. Okay, his daughter ran away from home. You didn't understand. Still he didn't find out. That guy only telling our people. And another thing, another joke is no, another guy, 2018, Kerala is the best time. 2018. Okay, Kerala's best time is the what happened 2018? We all in flood, man. Okay, so nothing scientific is all. Okay, so this is called statistics. Okay, you got primary and secondary. That's okay. Two words understood now. Okay, now these are the applications. And also one more thing. Election time. Now election is coming. Okay. Election before the counting, and they will tell this party going to win and all. Right or not? You heard about, right? How they know? They're not counting. Predictions.
Prediction.
Okay. How they predict it? Not non-majority. They make a team. Okay. They make a team with a good questionnaire. Okay. Then asking you, okay, what about the your Chief Minister Stalin now? They're asking questions. Okay, hey, your Chief Minister Stalin, right? I mean, Chief Minister Stalin. So they will ask me different questions. Are you happy with him? Or so many questions they will have. Then they will observe their expressions and their notice. This is called questionnaire. Okay. Then they'll predict, oh, this election. It's a sample. It's a sample. For example, when you cook the rice, okay, what they'll do? Clean the rice and put in hot water and wait. Then when you close the burner, when you close, it will okay. When it's okay, how you know it's enough?
It absorbs water.
No, observe no. When it is close the burner stove, it is okay, ready to eat, right? How you know that? No. That is no water. That's not like that. How you know that? Still, there is no water. Means sometimes we add more water also, right? How you know that? Yeah. How you know it is soft? How we? Yes, taking one or two and press. Understand now? Right? Right or no? No need to press entire rice. No need to press. Then who will eat that? Correct or no? It is a statistical application. Right? It's a sample. Understand? It's a statistical application only. Because one rice okay, then everything okay, like that. No? There you apply statistics. Okay. And also, suppose you made a tea. Okay. You guest came. Okay, you made tea and actually no need to give tea to the student. I told you that, right? I told you this one, right? The years back, then suppose years back in Kuwait or anywhere, there was no restaurant and all. Okay, people walk and travel only. There is no restaurant, there is no water and no facility. From home to home, that time we have a habit of giving water and like that. Now we don't need everyone, even your bag there is water, right? Then why should I give, when you enter, why did I give like that? No need to give. Okay. So next time when you don't give water. Okay. Okay. So okay. Suppose you're making a tea. Hey, hello. Tea. I hope you add sugar, right? I don't like sugar. Okay, sugar no need actually. Okay. If you drink without sugar, only you understand the real taste of your tea was very good. That one you know. Okay. Okay, real taste of the tea. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Suppose you're adding sugar. How we check it whether it's okay or not? Well, tasty. Not it enter drink, you know. Right? It's a sample. It's a sample. Okay. Suppose seawater. How it is salty?
Tasting.
Taste. It will be taste. Not to drink entire water, right? Or no? Right? Correct or no? So that is the application of it's a statistical application. That's why I told you. Statistical application everywhere in your life. It's affecting every time in your life. Okay. So now, okay. Suppose I'm asking you the height. Okay. Are you ready to tell the height? Your height, you know your height. Okay. So, or you are height or weight? Height. Okay. Okay, height. Okay, you. 160? Okay, 160. Okay, random enough. Nothing to worry about. 168. Okay, you 171. Okay, all in centimeter. Okay, no problem. You that much only. Okay, 156. Okay, you give a number. 150. 150. Okay. Okay, you 160. You
Sir, 160.
164. You mind? Okay. You okay. 150. Okay, I'll get that. Okay. No idea. You what it is? Inch you can convert now. Okay. How much inch? 540. Okay, 160 something like that. Just right. 160. You 160. 148. Oh. You 152. 164. No, 65. Okay. Okay. Now listen here. The mine also 164. Okay. Okay. So your height should be correctly calculate. Okay, because height minus 100 only the weight should be there like that. Calculation there is the weight, otherwise our weight. Okay, so 164 your height, then 164 minus 100 how much? 64. 64 should be your weight maximum like that. Okay, so my wife miscalculated my height 160. I reduced, I didn't eat anything. Okay, I reduced to 60 kg. Really, man? From 72 to 60 kg last vacation. You are not there that day. Okay, 160. It was 172. 172 to 160 I reached. My mother cried when what happened? When I reach home, everyone, what happened to you? You are sick or like that. Okay, then again I checked. Oh, my 164 only like that. Okay, so look. Okay, now this one, the collecting the data. Now this guy is also collecting the data like this. Okay, this is called raw data without any arrangement. It is as it is writing. Just should know, just listing. It is called what? Okay, now third point we got. One is primary data, secondary data, and raw data. These all in your database is there. Is there no? That is finished, right? Okay. Then which is the lowest one here? 140. Easy to find. 140. What is the highest one? 168. Oh,
171.
that difference how much? 148, 171 minus 148.
23.
23. This 23, it is called range, not mobile range. Okay. It is called what? Range. Okay. Now, can I understood? Primary data, secondary data, raw data, range. Okay. Now, sometimes we are making a class like this. Suppose 148, 148 to 150, like, and 150 to 152, 152 to it is maximum 170. Okay, or we can make it 5. Okay, 152 to 154, 154 to 156, like that classes. Okay, so look at here now. Okay, wait, we can make it a little more bigger one. 5 we can make. 148, 140. No, 145 to 150. Wait, man. 150 to 155. 155 to 160. 160 to 165. 165 to 170. 170 to 170. Why you collect check the which is the lowest one? Because we have to include here. Why I check the highest one should be here also. Here one more need 170, 75. Okay. Now, okay. This is called class. It is called class. Then here, this is all called lower limits. What do you call? Which hand? Left hand, right? Left hand. Right now, sure, not left hand. Okay. This is left hand. That is called lower limits. What do you call? One more time. Lower limits. This is called upper limit. Lower limit and upper limit. Okay. And see this all. And upper limit minus lower limit. That is called the class size. What do you call? Class size. Look at 145 here, 146, 47, 48, 49. That is called the 5. That 5 it is called what? Class size. So 150 minus 145, that is called the class size. Okay. There are two. This is called class intervals. What is called?
Class
First class interval, second class interval, third class interval. You can make another one also like that. 145 to 149.5, 149.5 to 150 to 154.5, 155 to like that classes. For example, look, 0 to 9, 10 to 90, 20 to 29. And another one 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Listen, forget about that. Listen. Here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Here 0 to 10, 10 is not included here. Okay, 10 is included where? Okay, 0 to 10, next one is 10 to 20. If the 20 in 10 is here only chances. Clear or not? Huh? Look, okay, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. This type of classes, it is called exclusive classes or continuous classes. What do you call? Exclusive classes or continuous classes. Why it is called exclusive means no, the upper limit not included here. For example, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all included. 10 is coming to here only. That's why it is called exclusive classes or continuous class. Why it is called continuity? Listen, 10 like that. Understood now? Hey, listen, man. And here, this is called inclusive classes. Here 0 and 9 are included. Look, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that. Okay. That in continuous classes, difference between lower limit minus upper limit, that is called the class size. What do you call? Class size. Clear now? Here 9 minus 0 plus 1. In inclusive classes, upper limit minus lower limit plus 1, that is called the class size. Clear now? So many things we cover now. Class intervals, frequency distribution, class interval, then what? Upper limit, lower limit, class size. Understood? Okay. One more there is, it is called class mark. What is that? Class mark means lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. What do you call? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. I'm not going to give the note this one. You have to read the reader. Everything is okay. Now, okay, come back to this question. Here, there is a tally mark. We heard about.
Yes.
How you know? Last year? It is. This year also, right? This year also. Okay, now look at here. 168. 168, where will go? Okay, 168 means here. You mark it like 1. First one is 1. Next is 171 here. 156 here, right? Okay, 150 here. 160 again. 160 okay, okay, here. Okay, 164 here. 150, right? 150, right? 150 here. Not up here only. 160 here. Okay. 160 again here. Right? Okay. 148 here. 152 here. 165 here. 164, right? Okay. That means you mark like this. Fifth one you mark like this. Okay. Now this one frequency. Okay, frequency will be what? 2, 3, 1, 5, 2, 1. Total. This is the table you will get like this. To make the histogram and frequency polygon, you can make like this. Tally mark not required. Okay. So now what you will do now? This you're free now. You can make a survey with your friends and all. Okay, you make a good subject today. Think about you ask the question to your friends. Okay, friends, relatives, or your neighbors and all. Maybe which TV you like. At minimum 25 people you have to approach. Right? Which sports item you prefer? Don't make any politics and all like that. Okay, a person and all like that. Forget about general topics. Which hotel is good? Okay, really, I have many survey, last year's survey studies. Okay. Whenever I want to buy, I just take the survey. Oh, okay. Their report, no, they made a survey, which TV I have to buy, they'll take the survey report only. They made a survey, like that I can use, no, like that. Okay. Suppose which hotel is nearby good, which type of food you like, people like, veg or non-veg, or which car you like. Okay. Like that, which how to improve your system, your opinion, like that. Many you think of subject, you think about it, and make the column here, and here also tally marks and talking. Heading also required. What the subject? Right? Subject is required. Suppose you maybe like that. We approach 20 persons. Their like which is the favorite food, like that. Then food person are like that. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay, now you clear now. These are the points. Many points we discussed today. You have to read the reader. I just first is primary data, secondary data, range. Maybe just note down. Okay, then. Right. Chapter name statistics. Okay. First points. Primary data. Primary data. Two. Secondary data. Then range. No, raw data. Third one, raw data. Okay, raw data, then range. Okay, range, then frequency distribution, inclusive class, exclusive classes, bracket, right? Continuous classes. Okay, what do you write? Okay, you write example. 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, like that. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Okay, then. Next one, inclusive classes. Inclusive classes. Inclusive classes. Example, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 20 to 29, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, enough. Okay. Then lower limit. Okay, no, wait. Where you wrote 0 to 10, no? There you write lower limit. You mark it like arrow. Right? Look, like this. You make it here lower limit. Like that. This is the lower limit, left hand. That is called lower limits. Lower limit. Then upper limits. Upper limits. Where is upper limit? You know, right? Okay. Then continuous class understood, no? Continuous class means upper limit and it is continuous only. Okay. Then class size. Class size. Class size bracket continuous class. Continuous classes, continuous classes. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. You have the reader to you? Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Then in inclusive classes, upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. Okay. What are the points now discussed? Anything else here? Okay, then I class mark. Class mark. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Oh, you don't have reader. Okay. Okay, now we have to okay. Actually, what is the use of this pictorial representation? Why you are representing the data in graphical representation? What is the use?
Just see the majority.
No. Easy to understand. Picture can easy to understand. The text may be one page. No one read. Correct? Picture may easy to understand. Picture reads more than the text. That's why reason our election symbol is there now. Right? Election symbol and lotus and donkey, elephant. Right? What is the problem? It's a species, no, like us. Okay. Many species there is like so one of the species. Correct or not? Cockroach also species, plant also species, like that. Okay, all same only, all related to. We are related to cockroach. We are related to donkeys. We are related to plants, like that only. Everything is species only, living species only. Okay, only difference plants and we what difference what they cannot move. Okay, they cannot move. Only that only difference. Understood now? Other species we can move like cow, buffalo, human, or we can move. Plants are also species only, but cannot move. That's only difference. But that's it. According to me, veg and non-veg difference only what they kill non-moving species. We kill what veg people, non-veg people kill what moving species like that. Right or no? Actually, they both are killing only. Okay, don't think they don't claim. Anyone here veg people? No one. It's good. Okay. You? She said, oh, I know. I cannot imagine. Actually, veg people are more killing. Okay, I told you this chana and all they put in water, right? Right or no? Chana one day before they put in water. Then next day what to do? Boil it. Actually, chana babies only killing. Babies they wake up and killing like that. Okay. So that means what rice also like that only preparing. Right? Boil and making. Okay, like that. Rice and all not for us actually. Actually, without killing, two things only in the world. Only the fruits. Okay, and honey. This is all only without any killing and all. Okay. Some guys no. What you call pure veg guys there is. What is our cricket captain name? Virat. Kohli and all like that. That guys only. Dhoni no. No, what do you call another special name? We can. Yeah, yeah, they are like that only. And even that guys, some mosquitoes they kill, bite no, they won't do like this. They won't kill. They will suffer it like that only. Right? Okay, some guys like that there is. Okay, so that their faith like that. Okay. So, but difficult to survive. Okay. My wife's parents like that only. They eat only veg only. So very difficult. They don't have much protein and all like that. Okay, they are sick now. Okay, so veg guys, if you are pure veg guys, they eat all types of vegetables like chana or protein to get protein and all like that. Otherwise, you just normal veg every time you won't get any protein and all. Okay, so I'm not encouraging veg or non-veg. I'm just telling fact. Okay, science I'm telling. Okay, so now we will go to the your reader. There is no question for the tally mark. Okay, now the time. Okay, we have the graph paper, right? So we'll start now. Are you ready now? Okay, we have two graphs only to study. One is the histogram and the frequency polygon, right? Okay. Okay, in graph paper, neatly write. Take the graph paper. Read like that only, no? Histogram and frequency polygon. Our graph, get over that. Okay, you do it. Okay.
The histogram and the polygon is same.
Frequency, I think frequency polygon is there. I don't think, right? That also deleted, I think. It is there. Let me check. I think frequency also there deleted. Just take the reader. Let me see. It is there. Hey, it is there. Frequency polygon is there. Okay, that is good. Okay, now don't need to open the reader. We don't. I'll give us a special question only. Okay, write the first in graph book. Okay. Graph book neatly write. Okay. Where you are going to write? No, here. Yeah, here. Okay, suppose this is a paper. Here you have to write. Okay, graph here. Here, hey, hello, listen. Graph we have to use neatly. Okay. So this area we can write with the pen. This area don't touch pen, only pencil only. Clear now? Okay. Right, correct now. Okay. So this area only pencil only can use. This area pen. So write the question there. This is a sure question, 5 marks question. Okay. Represent the following. Represent the following. Represent the following. Represent the following. Represent the following distribution by. Represent the following by following distribution by means of histogram. By means of histogram. Okay. So and also look at here the frequency, the tally marks and all. Look at frequency tally marks always a natural number only. All numbers. No fractions. Correct or no? Right? Suppose, hey, come on. Frequency, we got 3.5 or 5.5. Your writing means no. Hey, hello, Ayan. Frequency always at whole numbers only. Whole numbers means what? Whole numbers is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Never a fraction. Suppose you're writing 3.5, you write instead of 3.5, you'll get a criminal offense. Why? 3.5. 3 children cutting 1 children, no. Number of students, right? The criminal case. Right? It will be a natural number only, not negative also. Only whole zero chance there is because suppose 145 to 150, nobody is there. Not 1.5 like that. Okay, that's careful in your okay. Right. Okay, survey, you think about to get a subject. Understood now? You think about today night, what subject, don't share your subject. It's a competition this that is. Okay, the best one will select it. Okay, from both batches. Okay, represent the following frequency distribution by means of a histogram. By means of a histogram. Okay, class, with the scale, you make a table. Class. Uh, 10 to 20. Need be right. Don't see this one both will be equal width. Don't make one shorter, one is bigger one like that. Okay. Equal width, one scale width enough. 0 to 20, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequent number of students. Number of students 7, 11, 9, 13, 16, 4. Okay, just to make it, then I'll explain this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, now write fast. Okay. Then now okay, now listen. Now we go to graph side. Okay. Careful, don't right now. You don't want pen. Okay. Close the pen. Here. Don't touch. Okay. Here one. Make it one. Don't go to extreme level. Okay, because you are in a space. Okay, here. Okay, you keep it one. Don't touch here. 1 inch. Keep it here. 1 inch. Keep it also here. Or you can make center also because they are not much that. Okay, clear now. 1 inch here. 1 unit. Keep it blank. Here also 1 unit. Keep blank. Okay. So that means the paper. Listen. Suppose the paper like this, it will be the paper like this. Paper is looks like this. Okay, don't go to here exact. Give space here, give space. Here now. Now, okay, you mark it here. This is X. X, here is Y. Okay, now listen here. Hey, starting, we have to write a scale. Hey, wait. Scale, we can make it better. I prefer 1 centimeter enough. Maximum, okay, x-axis, scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter, 1 unit. Okay, so that means 0. Don't write anything, just write it here. What, 10? Don't write now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 lines. Okay, or each 1 unit. Wait. We can fix now here. Maximum is 16. If you want, we can make it. That's up to you. 1 centimeter, 1 unit. So you have space up to 16. It will be very big. Oh, it's okay now. You can make it reduce also. How? 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 unit. Clear or not? Then instead of 16, 8 enough. Just half. 7, 3.5 enough. 11, 5.5, like that. But this case we can make it little big. First graph now. Clear what I said? You can make it. That's up to you. You can make it. The graph is height is depends on. Okay, but this one don't change it. 1 centimeter enough in histograph. Okay, so I'm making here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't fit here. Okay, 8, 9, 10. It will fit your graph paper or not? 11. Fit or not? 12. I don't have. Okay, I'm changing. You can fit your graph fit.
The beginning is as well if it's not fitting.
No, if it's not fitting, look at here. Come on. Hey, listen. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, like that. Okay. Wait. Let me try first. So that then accordingly you are changing the scale. Scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter, what makes mark? 1 centimeter, 10 mark. Here, 1 centimeter, 1 student. Or here, 1 centimeter, 2 student. What do you plan? 1 only. Okay, then you write scale on exact scale. You write here neatly. Scale. Then write here on x-axis. On x-axis. Then don't follow my figure. Okay, you can follow here on x-axis. 1 centimeter, 10 marks. Marks only. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 mark. On y-axis, 1 centimeter, 1 student. Your case, 1 student. My case, 2 students. Understood now what I said? Okay. If you're taking 2, iron, how you took? Then scale what is right? What?
On y-axis, 1 centimeter,
2 students. Those are taking. Am I how you took? 1. Okay. Then okay. Now look at here. Hello. Clear now? Clear. It's a very important thing. This part. Okay. So now next 10 to 27. Look, 7 you mark 10 to 20. 7 here. You just put a mark here. Tick, just a tick. Don't write anything, okay? Just tick. Okay, do it. 7 you mark it. 7. Against 10. Against 10. Hello, against 10, 7 mark it. Okay. Okay. Then next is what? 11. 11 is against 20. Against 20 is 11. Here, right? Mark it. Against 20. Understood now? If you are doubt, you can keep a scale and check it whether exact or not. But don't make any line and all. Don't make line. You made line? Okay. Next is what? Against 30. Against 39. Against 39. Okay. Against 40, 30. 30 here, right? Okay. Against 50, 60. Minus not that much correct because it's the just for corner. Okay. Then against 64. Against 64. You mark like that. Let me see one graph. You did? Okay, mark. Complete first. So, sharp the pencil. Come the pencil. Hey, come on. Oh, last 10 years you using this one, right? From KG onwards, same pencil you are hardly decided. Next year also use this pencil. Okay. One bag full pencil here. When I clean up so many pencils down, I don't know whose pencils got. No one taking the pencil from the down. I don't feel to throw the pencil to outside. No, I just keep it here. Many pencil look, it's all down only. Many pencil here. Every day I getting like this pencil. See, very nice pencil. Anyone want pencil now?
Yeah.
Huh? You want?
Yeah.
Okay, take it. One full bag pencil is there. Okay, like rice packet bag, no, like that full pencil. Okay, okay, now you mark all. Okay, after that, hello, after that, marking finished or not? Anne-Marie finished or not? Ameya. Okay, you, Pauline. Everyone finished marking, fair. Kezia, Lisha. After that, look. Here, you just make one line like this. Just 1 centimeter. One, that means 1 unit is just mark like it's scale. Don't vertical line, okay. Take here, horizontally. Not finished. You got? Don't touch the razor, okay. Okay, finish. Not yet marking. Okay, after that, look, you join the line. Now it's vertical line. Look, listen. Not like this, okay. Maybe come this come okay, it come like this. 60 to 70 years. Okay. Then I want to see your paper, okay. Yes. Sometimes here, school may be writing here, 7 like that. You're not doing like that, you not start the chapter. So we'll make next class, we'll make schedule for the revision. We're finishing now today, okay? Okay. So we get like this, look. What?
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, am I agreed? No? Okay. Okay, so finish all. Okay, so we'll get like this, everyone got like this, no, right? Look. Okay. So now, finish. Okay, this is called histogram. Okay. Same graph. Okay, now sometimes, it's not exactly starting from 0 to 10. Maybe starting with 50, like this. Listen. You don't finish? No, not finish. I'll wait. Hello. Will you finish or not?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Finish it first. Okay. So your school, second Jan, right? No. So what are you going to do now? Huh? Your class starting when? You are in Bhavan's or Smartin? Your principal is new principal now? Oh. Who is that? Your principal? After this, only join, right? Okay. Okay, look. So now look at here. Finish or not? Ali. Okay. Show me Ali. Okay, after that. So you have to make a survey and submit. Thursday is possible or Sunday? Next Sunday. 1 week there is. Next Sunday. Okay. Yeah, Thursday now. Next Sunday you have to bring it. Okay. Make a nice chart. Okay. Just show. Yes, show man. Yeah. Okay. Now, hello Pranit. Where it is? Not finished. Hey, why you using eraser, man? Don't touch eraser in graph book. Because small lines, no, it will erase and make a plain paper. Hey, after that, hey, what is paper this one? You are the thing, no? Right? If you go buy a new nice paper, you'll get a half line also there is. Some graph. Between 1 to 10 to 20, there's between one line is there. There is. That's if you buy from Bakala, you won't get like that. Bookshops, you are searching. Oh, I didn't find that line. There is, okay. Right, finish fast. Kasia, finish. Lisha, Mansi, Pearl, Pradisha, Sachin. Sachin. Okay. Smrita, Vinayak, finish or not?
Yes, sir.
Nalin,
Yes, sir.
Abigail,
Yes, sir.
Nanya. Okay, now look at here. Hey, not finished. Come on, man. And let him finish it. I'll wait. Okay, first graph, then next graph, we have to do it. Tell me. Did you mark this one? This line blank here. You mark like line first, make it. Okay. Okay. So now look at here. Suppose the graph starting from, look here. Okay, 0 to 10, easy way. Suppose starting from 20 or 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Then what will do?
1 centimeter 10 units.
Same thing, but you can start 50 here. But what logic is some, yeah, look at here 50, here 60, but here 1 centimeter 50. So what will do? You make what? King, right? Like this. You make no?
Yes.
In lower class you study that. A gap, right? What do you call? King. Okay. So reason is some line is there. Otherwise, no logic. Look here, 50 here, 60 here. Here 1 centimeter 10. Here 1 centimeter 50. To avoid that, only make a king like this. Okay. And histogram, same thing on a histogram. Okay. Suppose you can make a histogram now itself. I'll show this same graph. Okay. Look, histogram. You can make a make sentence. You can question. Okay. You can make question. You change it. Frequency for histogram and frequency polygon. Right. Sorry, frequency polygon. You can make it. And now on the top, histogram and frequency polygon. Histogram and frequency polygon. Histogram and frequency polygon. Okay, look at here. Hello, listen. Look, to make it easy way, see. First of all, wait. In frequency polygon, no. We can make it histogram and frequency polygon together or separate. Okay, keep it in your mind. Frequency polygon marking against the class mark. What? Against the class mark. Class mark means what? Hey, just never discussed now. Class mark. Check the note. Class mark. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 10, 20 plus 10. What? 30. 30 divided by 2 what? 50. Next is what? 25. This one is what? 35 is what?
40.
Hey, all 10 difference only. Just drag.
40.
Just should know. Hey, just drag enough. Like some movies. Actually, main actor's name only you can see the screen. Correct or not? Right. Main actor, director, right? Then who? Actress name is there. Rest of so in movie many guys there is. Correct or not? Light boys and helpers and all there is, and script writer is there, right? And singing guys all there, right? Right, writing lyrics also there is. Their name no one knows. Correct or no? Their last one just run the screen, right? Nobody read, right? That way a movie depends on so many people there is, right? You know, everything like that only. Those who are working guys, nobody knows. Like we maybe your childhood you heard stories. There was a king like that. There is a king like I don't know, right? King what they did nothing to do, and this all the agriculture who made it? What are we eating now? Who made this all? Farmer. No one's. There is a farmer before. There was no one thinking about that. Correct or no? Right? Correct or no? And even see, suppose who built the Taj Mahal? What? Raja not even made a stone there, right? No. Many workers only did that, correct? And Alexander built India and all like that. Alexander his soldiers only, correct? Okay. This is the very sad thing about the farmers and all. They made everything agriculture. No one bothered about the farming. And instead of that, he's telling a story. There was a king. Maybe he made some well or like that only, right? What we eating everything did by what? Farmers only. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come to why it is here. Okay. And okay. Now histogram and frequency polygon. Okay. Again the class mark. Okay. I'll make next class separate frequency polygon. Now today together. Okay. You mark again the class mark. Class mark means what? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by. Okay. Easy to find that. 10 to 20. 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10 what? 30 divided by 2. 50. And all 10 different on. Okay. So first one you make it here midpoint. That's why I ask you. Center line is there. Okay. You mark it like this. Okay. Okay, mark it man, set the middle line. Just tick one mark point. Okay. Did? Okay, now use the scale. Not freehand, scale. You join it like this. Okay, now look at here. Because it's not a closed figure. Polygon means what? A closed figure. So that means, look at here. You find out the midpoint class mark of a class before the first class. A class before the first class. What is that? 0 to 10. A class before, wait, I mean, listen. A class before the first class. That means 0 to 10. Our class starting what? 10 to 20. So that means you join here. This one. Midpoint. It's very important point. Okay. And a class after the last class. What is that? 70 to 80. That's why I told you keep a space here. Okay. 70 to 80 here. You mark it here. Now this is the figure. Correct. You can mark it here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is the frequency polygon. Okay. So you have to study up to here. Next class also graph required. We'll finish the graph. Next class we independent frequency polygon and histograms and also adjusted frequency there is. The class done? There is. Adjusted frequency there is. We don't bother about it. Okay. Okay, another question. Look, suppose 0 to 10, going to join. Hey, come on, 0 to 10. Starting from 0 to 10, where to join the first class? 0 to 10, starting from 0 to 10. What? Where? Here? No. A class before the 0 to 10 where?
0.
Here, you can join here. Minus 10 to 0. So join to here. Not to that means not here to come to here. That I tell you next class that. Okay, next episode I'll do. Okay, that's enough today. Go first. You have to read the chapter, okay?